Not sure how to ask this properly. The more north or south you get away from the equator, do satellites orbit faster at a lower altitude? Well, so here goes. What we call low Earth orbit, LEO, that's a couple 100 miles up. They orbit the fastest, and they complete one journey around the Earth in about 90 minutes. The higher up your orbit is, the slower you move and the longer it takes to complete the orbit. And Arthur C. Clarke first noticed, this is long ago, shortly after the Second World War, that there must be an altitude where if you put a satellite in that orbit, it would take 24 hours to complete. Well, if that's the case, that means the satellite is orbiting as Earth turns, which means it appears to be parked over a location. All those satellites are above the equator, and you put one between Europe and the United States, for example, and you could beam signals up and back because it's just sitting there waiting for you to talk to it. So these are the geosynchronous satellites. In between, so we have LEO, low Earth orbit, geosynchronous, and we have in the middle of the two, middle Earth orbit. Nothing to do with Lord of the Rings. So LEO, MEO, and GEO. And MEO are all the GPS satellites are orbiting there. So they have orbital periods between 90 minutes and 24 hours. So there you have it. It's a busy sky, and it's getting crowdeder every moment. So I don't know what the future of that will bring, but it looks pretty hazardous for any future satellites that want to venture, or even people that want to pass through this debris zone that we are creating.